The Constitution of India. Preamble. We, the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, assuring the dignity of the individual and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November 1949, do hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this Constitution.
Hello children, welcome back. In the previous class, we have discussed about how to find the coordinates of the midpoint of the line. So, the coordinates of the midpoint of the line is half of x1 plus x2 and half of y1 plus y2. Okay, see these lines. So here 6,1 and 6,4 are the coordinates. The x coordinate equal. So x coordinate is equal. So the line joining those points are parallel to y axis. Okay, then in this line minus 2, 5 and 3, 5. So here y coordinate is equal. So y coordinate is equal. The line joining those points are parallel to x axis. Okay, so see this line. So here 2, 5, the coordinates are 2, 5 and 6, 8. Okay, so here the x coordinate different and y coordinate also different. So this line is slanted. It is not parallel to either axis. Okay, see this line. So here the points are 2, 5, 4, 8 and 6, 11. So consider these two coordinates. Okay, so what is change in x? X in the difference endana 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. Then change in y, that is 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Okay, so what is change in y by change in x? So 3 by 2. Change in y by change in x, that is 3 by 2. Okay, so consider next two coordinates. These two coordinates consider cheyam. Okay, so 4, 8 and 6, 11. Okay, so what is change in x? Change in x is 2 and change in y is 3. So, what is change in y by change in x? That is 3 by 2. Okay, so on this line, the change in y by change in x is a fixed number. So, this number is called slope of the line. Okay. Here x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the 2 points on a slanted line. Okay. So, here what is change in x? Change in x is x2 minus x1. Okay. Change in y. Change in y is y2 minus y1. Okay, then y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is a fixed number. So, that is called slope of the line. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 will be a fixed number. That number is called slope of the line. Okay. So, slope of the line containing the points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So, m is the fixed number. So, that number is called slope of the line. M equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. First question. Prove that the points 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 7 are on the same line. So, these coordinates 1, 3, 2, 5 and 3, 7 are on the same line. Prove cheyyanam. Okay. So, same line laanengil slope will be equal. Okay, slope will be a fixed number. Okay, so we can draw a line and A എന്നുള്ള കോർഡിനേറ്റ് 1 3 എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാം, B എന്നുള്ള കോർഡിനേറ്റ് 2 5 എന്ന് കൊടുക്കാം, and C is 3 7. Okay, B and C. Okay, what is slope of AB? Slope of AB equal to change in y by change in x. So 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. Then 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3 by 2 minus 1. So which is equal to 2 by 1. That is 2. Okay, then we can consider the other coordinates, that is B and C. Slope of BC. Slope of BC equal to again y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 7 minus 5 by 3 minus 2. Okay, so which is equal to 2 by 1. That is 2. Here slope of AB is 2 and slope of BC also 2. നമുക്ക് സ്ലോപ്പ് ഓഫ് എ സിയും കാണാൻ പറ്റും ഇതുപോലെ, അതും ആൻസർ 2 ആയിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് രണ്ടും 2 ആയതുകൊണ്ട് സോ ദീസ് പോയിൻറ്റ്സ് ആർ ഓൺ ദ സെയിം ലൈൻ. സോ വി ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് 1 3 2 5 and 3 7 are on the same line. Okay, next problem. Find the coordinates of two other points on the line joining minus 1 4 and 1 2. So here the two coordinates are given, that is minus 1 4 and 1 2. We have to find out other two coordinates. Okay, so for that, what is change in x? ചേഞ്ച് ഇൻ എക്സ്, എക്സിലുണ്ടാവുന്ന ചേഞ്ച് എങ്ങനെയാണ്? ഇവിടെ -1 4 ആൻഡ് 1 2 ആണ് രണ്ട് കോർഡിനേറ്റ്സ് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. എക്സ് കോർഡിനേറ്റ് ഇസ് -1 ആൻഡ് ഹിയർ 1. സോ ചേഞ്ച് ഇൻ എക്സ് ഇസ് 1 minus -1. 1 minus -1 is 1 plus 1, that is 2. സോ 2 വെച്ചാണ് എക്സ് കോർഡിനേറ്റിന് ചേഞ്ച് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്. ദെൻ വൈ കോർഡിനേറ്റ്, ദാറ്റ് മീൻസ് ചേഞ്ച് ഇൻ വൈ. We can take change in y, that is 2 minus 4. 2 minus 4 is -2. So y coordinate ഉള്ള ചേഞ്ച് -2 വെച്ചാണ് ഉള്ളത്. Okay, so -1 4 and 1 2. So we can find out another point. Okay, so next point will be another point on this line. ഇവിടെ 1 2 ആണ് അല്ലേ. സോ എക്സിലെ ചേഞ്ച് 2 വെച്ചാണ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കുന്നത്. സോ ദ കോർഡിനേറ്റ്സ് വിൽ ബി 3. 1 plus 2 3 ആകും. ദെൻ 2 plus -2 2 plus -2 0 ആകും. 3 0 ആകും. നെക്സ്റ്റ് അനദർ പോയിന്റ്. On this line will be 3 plus 2 5 and 0 plus -2 0 plus -2 -2. So the other two coordinates 3 0 and 5 -2. Okay, so next one, slopes of parallel lines are equal. So parallel lines in their slopes equal ആയിരിക്കും. Then next one, the product of these slopes of two mutually perpendicular lines is -1. So രണ്ട് perpendicular lines ന്റെ slopes ന്റെ product -1 ആണെന്ന് കിട്ടും. Okay, so first one, slopes of parallel lines are equal. So we can say the slopes are equal, the lines are parallel. Okay, അങ്ങനെയും പറയാം. Okay, so the product of the slopes of two mutually perpendicular lines is -1. So we can see the examples. Next problem, Prove that the line passing through 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1 is parallel to the line passing through 7 minus 1 and 0 3. Okay, so we know that the slopes of parallel lines are equal. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ equal slopes equal ആണെങ്കിൽ lines parallel ആയിരിക്കും. Okay, so we can find out the slope of 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1. Okay, so slope of 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1. Okay, the slope equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is 1 minus minus 3 by minus 5 minus 2. Okay, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this will be 1 plus 3 by minus 5 minus 2, that is minus 7. So which is equal to 4 by minus 7. 4 by minus 7. Next we can find out the slope of 7 minus 1 and 0 3. So slope of 7 minus 1 and 0 3. Okay, so y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. 3 minus minus 1 by 0 minus 7. 0 minus 7. So 3 minus minus 1, that is 4. 4 by minus 7. Okay, so the slopes are equal, so the lines are parallel. Okay, so the lines, therefore we can write the line passing through 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1 is parallel to the line passing through 7 minus 1 and 0 3. Okay, so therefore we can write the lines are parallel. Okay, next problem. Prove that the line passing through 2 minus 3 minus 5 1 is perpendicular to the line passing through 4 5 and 0 minus 2. So if the lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of the slopes will be minus 1. Okay, so we can find out the slope of 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1. Okay, so slope of 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1. ഇത് രണ്ടിൻ്റെയും സ്ലോപ്പ് കാണാം. സോ സ്ലോപ്പ് ഈക്വൽ ടു y2 മൈനസ് y1 ബൈ x2 മൈനസ് x1. സോ 1 മൈനസ് മൈനസ് 3. സോ 1 മൈനസ് മൈനസ് 3 ബൈ മൈനസ് 5 മൈനസ് 2. സോ മൈനസ് 5 മൈനസ് 2. ദാറ്റ് ഈസ് 1 മൈനസ് മൈനസ് 3 4 by minus 7. Okay, next the slope of 4 5 and 0 minus 2, which is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, that is minus 2 minus 5 by 0 minus 4. 0 minus 4. So which is equal to minus 2 minus 5, that is minus 7. Okay, minus 7 by minus 4, that is 7 by 4. 7 by 4. So slope of 2 minus 3 and minus 5 1 is 4 by minus 7, and the slope of 4 5 and 0 minus 2 is 7 by 4. Okay, then we can find out their product. 4 by minus 7 into 7 by 4. So we can cancel 4 and 4, 7 and 7. So the remaining is minus 1. Okay, the slopes, the product of the slopes is minus 1. So the lines are perpendicular to each other. So we can write the lines are perpendicular. The lines are perpendicular to each other. Okay. Children, do this problem as homework. Let's wind up today's session. Focus area of this chapter is over. See you in the next class. Thank you.